Realize some things that we can't control. Alright, guys, this is for senior. Sorry, I don't. SynonAI. Sorry. So you come back to the site again. Click on add to wallets to add the network to your wallet first. Alright, after doing that, go back to your wallet, copy your wallet address. Click on claim. Let's check if we received it. Very important that we do. Um, Alright, we can request 0.05 every day, so that's the idea. But requested, the testnet has not started, so I advise you guys to start requesting now because by the time it starts, it's very congested. So next thing you have to do is to join their Discord, which I already did. Okay, you join their Discord, you verify yourself. Okay, alright. So once you've done that, the third but not the last is to do their Gauzy tasks. I think this you become an early supporter. So let's start from here. So as for the launching activity, you have to get it from maybe their what's it called? So you claim all this. You can see a lot of people are not doing it. 1,000 people. Very underfarmed. So we're super early, guys. Super early. Unless you decide to be late yourself. So we need our transaction ID. I chatbot. When you come true, and you know we should never had up. Around the world. I hope you gon' fly away today. I hope you gon' fly away today. Well, you know, say I fly. Yeah. Shouldn't they rejecting me? Oh, I'm sorry. I did try. Yeah. Well, you know, rejecting me. Oh, I'm sorry. Cover my head. Oh. So we have to go to ecosystem. Baby, wait for that. And I'ma put you down on her. We have to go for the chat bot. So that's how you get the. What's the first one we clicked on? This one. Nigerian love. Darling, darling. Sinon GPT response. SOS. Nigerian love. Darling, darling. So you come over here. I hope you can fly away today. But you know, say I fly, yeah. So that they rejected me, oh, I'm calling. But you know, they rejected me, so I'm calling. You go like fly, yeah. But I'm just bringing you with my money. You can cover my head, oh. So, this is the transaction I should copy, okay? Watch Bitcoin, baby. So, I'm going to come over here now. Nobody be trying to do us. This is the transaction ID. And you come over here and paste the transaction ID. Are you seeing that, guys? So submit that. 0.01 to this address. Copy that. Send 0.01 to the address given to us. Please, the address given to us. So, I can send to Alicia. So send that. Okay. So we're going to copy the ID of this too and paste it there. So claim. You see? Easy as that, guys. So you do the remaining two. I don't know. Act a fool for you. Those are the rhythm. I don't need nobody else. What's sensational? The thing I do for you, girl. And I know. Act a fool for you. Girls, I know. Oh, hey. Back shots, give her. Back shots, give her. Oh. Actually, wish me from NYC. Steadily, I love. I think funny. I try my love. What thing I do for you, girl. And I know. Act a fool for you. Girls, I got rhythm. Immeasurable, I got rhythm. So that's it, guys. Do the girls and wait for more activities. You can chat with the bot, ask the bot stupid questions. Can I make money with airdrops? Everything I do for you, girl. And I know, act a fool for you. Cause I got them. Head jobs are away for blood chip producers, blah, 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 blah. So yes, you can make money from head jobs. Wonderful.